In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add name servers in GoDaddy if you want to connect your domain to a hosting provider or another service. Updating your name servers is one of the most important settings you may need to change. Name servers tell your domain where to look for the DNS information that controls your website and related services. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside GoDaddy and how to enter your own name servers correctly. To begin, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account that contains the domain you want to manage. Once you're on the site, go to your profile area so you can access your account options. From there, click My Products. This section shows all of the services and items connected to your account, including your domains. After that, click Domains to view the list of domain names you currently manage in GoDaddy. Next, find the domain you want to update and click DNS. This will take you to the DNS management area where you can control important domain settings. In this section, look for the Name Servers option and click on it. You'll now need to choose the option that says, I use my own name servers. This is the setting you should use when you've been given custom name servers by your hosting company or another domain service provider. Be sure to enter the name servers exactly as provided. Even small typing mistakes can prevent your domain from connecting properly, so it's a good idea to double-check spelling before moving on. Once you've entered your name server details, click Save. That will submit the update and apply the new name server settings to your domain. Keep in mind that name server changes usually do not happen instantly. In many cases, it can take some time for the update to fully spread across the internet. During that period, your website or connected services may take a little while to start working with the new provider. That's completely normal. Also, before saving any changes, make sure the name servers you're entering are the correct ones for your setup. If you enter the wrong values, your website, email, or other domain-related services may stop working until the settings are corrected, and that's it. That's how to add name servers in GoDaddy. If you follow these steps carefully and enter the correct values, your domain will be pointed to the right service in just a few clicks.